Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony. Wait a minute. You do it.
Welcome back to Live from the Camper, Beller Edition.
Beller Edition. My name's Tony.
My name's Beller.
And what are we making today?
Allergy-friendly pepperoni pizza pasta.
Allergy-friendly pepperoni pizza pasta. So for this dish, all you're going to need is
dairy-free cheese.
Very nice. What's this?
Gluten-free tomato sauce.
Okay. And what's this?
Gluten-free pasta.
All right. And the best part?
Pepperonis.
So we got one question for you. Are you hungry?
Good. Let's get cooking.
So we know a lot of you out there have a lot of different allergies, like this kid, tons. So with this meal, we're going to be gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, nut-free, egg-free, but it's going to be delicious.
So Papa, how do we make it?
Well, I'm glad you asked. We're going to need 4 cups of water. I've already put 2 in, so go ahead and put the other 2 cups of water in for me.
What do?
Dump it! All right, after we get the water in there, now let's add the pasta. You go ahead and use 16 ounces of pasta for 4 cups of water. Now what are we going to do?
Dump it!
That's right. All right, so you see we have the water in there. How many cups of water did we put in?
4.
And then we put in a whole box of pasta, right? Now we're going to give it a little stir. We're going to put the pressure lid on and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Because here's a little hint for you. Whenever you're making pasta, you do half the time of what you normally do. So this says 10 minutes you boil it. You pressure cook it for 5 minutes.
Hey Papa, you know what you got?
What?
The sauce. Duh.
Forgot the sauce. So what are we going to do? You're going to use 1 jar of your favorite tomato sauce?
Dump it.
Amen, sister. Now let's give it a little stir.
That looks good.
Yes. How's it smell?
Like sauce.
There it is. Let's go ahead and put our pressure lid on. We're going to set it to seal. What sound does the seal make?
Or Papa. Set it for 5 minutes.
Pressure cook for 5 minutes.
Timer went up. Release the pressure now.
She doesn't make any money. She gets paid in pepperonis. Let me get pepperoni. Drop.
The red pin dropped. Let's see what we got now.
All right. So next we're going to put the cheese on it, the pepperonis, and then we're going to air crisp it at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So now let's put some cheese on it. Okay. You want to dump it in there?
What are we going to do? Dump it.
That's right. So now we're going to...
Kind of like spread it out.
Go ahead and spread it out. All right. So now let's put pepperonis on it.
Can I put them on?
Why do you think I handed it to you?
Okay.
Gotta make that sound too. Because as we established earlier, she doesn't get money for this. We pay her in
Pepperoni.
That's right. Put some more cheese over the top because
That's delicious.
can you ever have enough cheese?
No, that's not impossible.
That's right. No, that's not impossible. All right, throw the rest of the pepperonis in there before you eat them all. By the way, if you're enjoying our video, go ahead and hit that little red button down in the corner and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell
Ding!
so you know when our new videos come out. And come on over to our Facebook group, the Ninja Foodi Instapot Universe. There we share all of our tips, tricks, ideas, pictures, all that good stuff. Hey, and I may even take my hand out of this bag of cheese. Look, it's been in there the whole time. Let's add a little bit more cheese. We're going to air crisp at 400 for 5 minutes. And then what are we going to do, Beller?
Plate it up. Eat it up.
We're going to plate it up and eat it up. All right, timers went off. Let's give it a look. Ooh, that is starting to look good. But you know what? This is a non-dairy cheese, so it's going to take a little bit longer to melt. So let's go ahead and air crisp at 400 for another 2 minutes. So that'll be a total of 7.
This smells like deliciousness. Timer went off. Let's see what we got here.
Ready? Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? I think we should plate it up.
Eat it up.
Good. Bam. What are you doing?
I'm so ready to eat.
Let's get some of that delicious pasta and cheese and pepperoni. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Now we're just going to give you a little bit. We're going to let it cool off before you get it because I don't want you to take a bite of it and be like, I burned myself! Let's get a little bit more on there. Doesn't that look good?
Check this out, guys.
Now the best part, we get to try it. But she's going to try it because this is all hers.
Oh man, oh man, that tastes just like pizza pop-on. It's a bowl of deliciousness.
A bowl of deliciousness. I guess it's kid approved. So we got one question for you.
Are you hungry? Good, let's see.